I guess Dionkara here. We're currently waiting for a boarding call. I'm just wandering the airport now. Bit bored. Got like another 10 minutes. Oh, about to. Here's the bird. It's the hawk. Caw, am I right? We have some warm tea. By the way, look at that grey tooth. Grey tooth is just kind of handies at the moment. Turns out I also have bam, food in my tooth. That's fun. That's exciting. How are we gonna get it? The tongue. There's no other way. Oh, okay. What the heck? Get out of there. Got it. Hey, Flackers. My flight's been delayed. Twice. Flackers, we're about to take off. Flight attendant. Pretty cute. Scott. Yeah. Fun times. G'day, Flackers. Stop, Flacker. Yeah, that's all that's happening at the moment. We made some eggs. So I'll let you know. Oh my god, update. Okay, so, I was on the flight today. Scott that I was talking about on the flight. He just followed me on Instagram. I found a boy. I thought I'd show you guys my crib. Okay, so, big car passing past. Here is the camper, my home. We're gonna slide on in. Boom, washing. Oh, hello. Got a wee mirror. Hi. This wee picture of the fam. Lovely. This bit gay. This bit nice. Deborah, Eric. Gotta love Eric. Also, my dad has tarot cards. That's fun. It's exciting. Howdy, Flackers. So, oh, these my eyebrows. I mean, these glasses make it look like I've got. Anyway, me and flight attendant boy, we've been chatting, and we have each other's Snapchat. Snap. We got it. So we're basically married now. This is my wee bed. We got Eric. Love that boy. And yeah. A lot of stuff just hanging around. So I'm gonna tap out now because I think that's the last thing of my day. If not, you'll find out. But salutation, Flackers. Till the next one. Hello. Turns out we're not finished for the day. I thought I'd let you guys know it is raining water. I tried to drink some tea while laying down, and it didn't go so well.